You're right guys, rcaddict, and we're going to actually see what this can do today, yeah, or what I can do. It's my mango lassie, which I now know is a yogurt from India, okay, so hence the mango and the lassie bit. Anyway, and you've seen my back end. What did he just say? Anyway, and you've seen my back end. You haven't seen my back end, trust me. I've taken that off. I've hated that big bit of TPU. I've absolutely hated it. It just feels so tacky and horrible. Anyway, so that's got a diatone F4 on it, yeah, and Osprey antenna. I've turned my chin guard up the other way because I have a pro camera on there, Walksnail pro camera, and it doesn't fit, and you'll never get it to fit, and you're fucked. So basically, you either like it or lump it, but I would go with a V2 camera like I always do in all my videos. But I haven't got a spare one. This was just a swap over from my diatone F4 to this, and these motors should have always been pushing 5.1 inch props. Anyway, let's get on with it.
One, is dubstep still a thing? 2, do people still homebrew? And 3, does Dopinder ever find love?
I've realised something, and that is that you guys with 4S really have to kind of conserve your throttle, yeah, because these are only 3.3mm pitch props, yeah, and they're 5.1, so they're giving a bit of lift, but sun's just coming up now, typical. Anyway, but you guys have really got to, you know, you learn to conserve your throttle, whereas I started off on 6S, yeah, and 6S 5-inch, you can literally just, you know, you get no sag, right, until, well, you don't, okay? It goes down to 3.6 and hovers around 3.6 for ages per cell, unless you've got a bad cell. Anyway, right, I've realised that I don't know what to do with this. I don't know whether to just, you know, keep, you know, get 1800 milliamp batteries, or just keep like flying really loosey goosey and sorry, that's from Bot Grinder. So and keep flying just really steady. Maybe that's the answer, because in a big car, I mean, I did enjoy flying around all the boxes and everything, you know. I mean, it actually brings out, it's better than just flying around. Anyway, you tell me what you think, and I'll listen. Alright, take care, RC Addict.
RC Addict.